जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 5th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I told you about material nature, materialistic prakriti, which comprises of indriyas and bhumi, water, fire, air, akasham and ahankara mahattattvas. All that comprises of one prakriti, which is known as inferior prakriti, lowest prakriti or apara prakriti. So I told you that prakriti is under my control. Now I am telling you about another prakriti which comprises the living entities, Jiva Swarupas. These Jiva Swarupas spreaded throughout apara prakriti, which I already mentioned. So this Jiva Prakriti is known as Para Prakriti, superior Prakriti. This Jiva Prakriti also is under my control. Like that, Krishna Paramatma giving a clear understanding to us that he is different from Prakriti and Jivatma. And he is clearly saying that Jiva Prakriti and Apara Prakriti, both Prakritis are under his control. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Apareyam itastvanyam prakrutim viddhi me param jivabhutam mahabaho yayedam dharyate Jagat. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano viraha katara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava got Paramarahasya Jnanam from Sriman Narayana. Uddhava himself told about that to Vidura. Now Vidura is requesting Uddhava, O Uddhava, can you please give me the same Paramarahasya Jnanam which you got from Sriman Narayana? For which Uddhava saying that, O Vidura, when Krishna Paramatma just before he leaves this world, Martyalokam Jihasata, in the process of leaving this world, right in front of me, Krishna Paramatma gave the same jnanam which he gave to me to Maitreya also. O Vidura, not only that, Paramatma said to Maitreya like this, O Maitreya, whoever approaches you, whoever requests you, you need to give this Paramarahasya Tattvajnanam, this wisdom to them. Like that, O Vidura, Paramatma ordered Maitreya. That is why I suggest you to go and approach Maitreya to get this Paramarahasya Jnanam. Like that, Uddhava said to Vidura. Sri Sukha Yogindra saying all this to Parikshin Narendra, and also saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, after Uddhava said like that to Vidura, that night Uddhava, Vidura spent there itself while talking to each other about Visvamurtehe Gunakathaya Sudhaya Plavita Vurutapaha. They spent all that night while talking about the divine miraculous activities of Paramatma. They almost felt that they are drowned in the flow of nectar, like that they enjoyed. And then in the morning, Uddhava started from there and travelled towards Badarika Ashramam. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra told Parikshin Narendra. Then Parikshin Narendra is asking, O Sukha Brahma, you said Yadavas, all the Yadavas are destroyed because of the curse. Now, Uddhava is also among Yadava, right? He is also one of the Yadavas. How did he, Katham Avisishtaha, how did he left without getting destroyed along with all the Yadavas? O Sukha Brahma, even Krishna Paramatma also left his body and went back to his abode. Even after that, Uddhava Katham Avisishtaha, how did he left behind without getting destroyed? Like that, Parikshin Narendra asking Sri Sukha Yogindra, What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Balamukundashtakam. Indivarasyamalakomalangam Indradidevarchitapadpadmam Santanakalpadrumamashritanam Balam Mukundam Manasa Smarami. Balam Mukundam Manasa Smarami. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 5th sloka. Apareyam itastvanyam prakrutim viddhi me param jivabhutam mahabaho yayedam धार्यते जगत. अपरेयमितस्त्वन्यां प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे परां जीवभूतां महाबाहो ययेदं धार्यते जगत. श्रीमन्नारायणा करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.